Hey YouTube, I got a request to cover the song Talk Talk by Cannon, so that's what we're going to do. I'll show you two ways to play it. I'll show you how I think it's being played on the recording, and then I'll go through how to play it with open chords. The song starts, the verse starts on D major 7. And then what I'm doing is I pull my pinky off, and that actually turns it into a D major 9. And then we put it back on, and we're playing arpeggios, playing single notes out of the chords. Then it goes to E major. I think it's just... it's not being played up and down, you know, he's skipping strings. And that goes on for the verse, which I don't know, it's like maybe 12 bars or maybe 16 bars. Then it goes into the chorus. And the chorus uses those two chords, but it also uses B minor. Then it goes to D, or you can play D major 7, either one. Then it goes to A, and then it finishes on E. So it kind of makes a pattern going between the 7th chord root and the 5th fret chords. Yeah, it makes an X. That's where she's like, talk, talk, talk. You should be walk, walk, walk. After the chorus, they go into like a little bridge section. There's like... yeah. So it goes D, E, F sharp minor, A. That's the bridge. That's how to play it in the open position. And then E, you play just like a regular E chord. Then when it goes to the chorus, you could play B minor, D, A, E. And for the bridge, you can play that D, then you gotta play F sharp minor. You can play that just on the top 4 strings if you want. And then it goes to A. So this is the bridge. Okay, thanks for requesting that, and have fun playing it. Bye-bye.